Hi guys, it's Tyler here. Let's talk today about Elementor's most recent product, Elementor Cloud. Elementor Cloud is changing the way that people are able to design websites from the very start, the very first step, all the way up into a final product. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure and hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you enjoyed today's video. I do make a lot of Elementor style videos on my channel, so definitely check out my other videos after this one. Now let's talk about Elementor Cloud. Elementor Cloud is a new type of product that Elementor has released, which encompasses more than just a drag and drop website builder. For those that know my channel or have used Elementor in the past, you know that Elementor is a plugin for WordPress that allows you to drag and drop and build a website. You guys have probably already heard of Elementor Pro, which adds premium features to a already really good drag and drop builder. If you guys are interested in getting these premium features and getting Elementor Pro, check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for that premium WordPress plugin. However, today I want to focus on Elementor Cloud because Elementor Cloud not only implements the features of the drag and drop plugin builder and the premium features of Elementor Pro, but it also implements all the other features that you need for your website. It not only comes with a host to give you the latest and greatest hosting features, but it also comes with a domain name, a .elementor.cloud domain, so you can get started as soon as you start it. It also will auto install WordPress for you in just a click of a button. It really does take the entire setup process of a website down to its simplest and easiest form. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about some of the features it comes with, and then I will make more in-depth videos here in the future on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. Before we talk about the first feature, I do want to mention if you want to purchase Elementor Cloud, you can do so from the link down below in the description. See what kind of price you can get for it. It really is a fantastic price for everything that you're getting, and it's all included. To get your website functioning 100%, the only other purchase you may want to make is a domain name, but this is optional. If you don't want a .elementor.cloud website domain, you can go ahead and purchase maybe a .com domain from wherever your favorite domain registrar is. So again, if you're interested, check out that link down below in the description. The first feature I want to talk about is that Elementor is now a host. It is going to host all of your website files. It's going to host WordPress for you, and it's going to host your Elementor plugin and your Elementor Pro plugin, so you can simply drag and drop build a website straight from your Elementor account. And what I mean by that is you can simply head over to elementor.com and log in with the account that you purchased Elementor Cloud with. Then you'll simply hover over the website and you can either open the WordPress dashboard or you can simply just click Edit with Elementor, and this will take you over to your home page and get you ready to begin editing with Elementor. And it's just that simple and just that easy to edit pages on your website. Now to recap, your entire website is now hosted on Elementor. I do want to make mention of one thing about that. It's really nice that Elementor is not only your host, but you're also your drag and drop builder because all of your payments are together. And also, you're not working with third-party services that have to integrate together. I know we talk a lot about on my channel about when you integrate third-party services, sometimes things don't really mesh and they just don't work together as smoothly as they could. So with Elementor being your host, you have the person who actually has the product that you're using is also hosting, meaning the same company is going to host and help you build the website, so they should work smoothly and integrate really nicely. If I can think of a way to best optimize my website, it would be to go with a host that is also the backbone of my drag and drop builder. Feature number 2. This is a huge feature. I have gone through websites that don't have this feature and it is a nightmare when something goes wrong. Having backups is extremely important for your site. So we're here in my elementor.com account. If we just simply go over to manage this website, we can scroll down and you can see that I have backups on backups on backups. And no, I'm not manually setting these backups up. I am simply just existing with my site. Elementor is going through every single day and backing up my website. Yes, that is correct. 14 days of rolling backups every single day, whether you initiate the backup or not. So look at this, July 28th, I have a backup, the 27th, the 26th, all the way going back to the 20th when I actually got the website. That means if I need to restore to any of these versions, I can simply do it right here, or I can actually export the backup. This is super nice if you're upgrading WordPress versions or maybe plugin versions and something causes big issues on your site and your site crashes or your pages get corrupt or you get a virus on your site or something bad happens, you can simply just restore to a previous backup. And guys, it's one of those things that you might not think too much about right now, but when you do have a problem, it's all you care about. All your hard work is just gonna be gone if you don't have a backup. And fortunately with Elementor Cloud, they give you daily backups. And again, that's all included with Elementor Cloud when you sign up. Feature number 3. This one is really nice because I didn't even think about it and I didn't have to do anything, absolutely anything on my end to get this set up. And this is SSL encryption on your site. As you can see right here, this is the domain they assigned me right here. I named my website Business Card, so they gave me businesscard.elementor.cloud. But you can also see they added SSL as well, and they set that up when they set up my website for me. So I didn't even do anything. When I logged into my website, it was already set up with SSL encryption. For those that don't know, SSL means HTTPS. So it means it's a secure connection. If it doesn't have the S, then it's a non-secure connection. And your customers are really gonna be weary of your site because the browser that they're using will actually alert them that it's not a secure connection and not to put any kind of payment information in it. And it just doesn't look good. You definitely need HTTPS, you need that SSL cert, and you can get it right here with Elementor. Again, all included in Elementor Cloud, and I did nothing to set it up. And while we're right here, this is where you can set up a domain name, a .com, a .org, a .net. You can just go ahead and buy one from your favorite domain registrar. Mine is GoDaddy just because it's easy and simple and I already have an account over there. Once you get your domain, you can come back here and get it all set up, and you might have to re-register the SSL, but it is a very simple process. Feature number 4, and this is a huge one, guys. You can see right here it says debugging and troubleshooting. So you have a few different tools here. You can kind of debug and troubleshoot things right here. You can also go into your WordPress dashboard by simply going right up here and clicking Open WordPress Dashboard. You can go in there, go to the Elementor plugin settings and go ahead and run safe mode. You can also kind of debug and find different issues within there if you're ever stuck or having trouble. But the biggest feature in number 4 is having access to 24/7 live chat with Elementor, where they can help you and kind of help you debug problems that you're having on your site. They also have a team of developers that are able to help you and assist you, and they are very, very knowledgeable and they respond very quickly. Usually within a day is how the responses I've received when I've had to go through Elementor support, but they respond very quickly and they are very knowledgeable in what to do to fix problems. And lastly, guys, is feature number 5, which is Elementor Pro is included with Elementor Cloud. That means if we go to our WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, you can see that we have Elementor Pro installed right there. And again, I did not install this. It was auto-installed for me when they set up my website. And just to remind you, Elementor Pro is the premium version of Elementor drag and drop page builder. So Elementor Pro comes with premium widgets that you can add to your site. They also have a lot more settings and things you can edit on your site to make it fully customizable with Elementor Pro. And again, that's all included in Elementor Cloud. You can check the price for Elementor Pro and Elementor Cloud down below in the description, but I'm going to suggest Elementor Cloud because as of right now, as of the time of making this video, Elementor Pro plugin is actually half the price of Elementor Cloud, and you get so much more plus hosting with Elementor Cloud. So although Elementor did not sponsor today's video, I do truly believe in Elementor, and I highly, highly recommend Elementor to all of my friends, myself included, my clients. I even recommended this to my boss, and he bought Elementor Pro, and we've had nothing but success with it. It is a fantastic plugin, and I highly recommend it. Check out the link down below in the description. It's called Elementor Cloud for this all-in-one website creation kit, and you can get your hands on that today. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please drop a like. It really helps boost this video on YouTube. And also, if you guys are interested in my other videos about Elementor or how to create websites using Elementor or Elementor Pro, be sure and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a future video. Have a great day, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.